Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great adventure of On Trail, or episode of On Trail. I'm in Sedona, Arizona, obviously. Anyone could see by the beautiful red rocks and trails in front of me and around me. Now, I'm here with one of my bestest good friends, Obi-Wan. We've never ridden Sedona together. We got a 21-mile loop, stirrup, Girdner, airy lower, airy upper. A lot of great trails. I'll make sure I list them in the video as we switch up and change. So yeah, perfect weather. It's about 52 degrees right now. We're gonna have a high of 72. My friends, it doesn't get much better than this. So enough jibber jabber, let's get going. But before we do, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. Yeah, so my friends, as we sit here and we look out at this gorgeous view, we can see multiple trails in Sedona. We have Doe Mountain, we have Bear Mountain, Fay Canyon, the Fay Canyon Arch. We have Bell Rock, Devil's Bridge, Secret Canyon. The list goes on, but right here in this swath, there's just days and days of epic adventure. Now we'll definitely return to Bear Mountain. You can see that summit, that dome. I've been on top there, and there's a whole lot more to explore on the other side. It just doesn't quit, my friends. That's what we say, or I say. Sedona is definitely the proving ground for Arizona. And if I could stay up here for a month, I would, and I still wouldn't see everything. So, all right, Doug, you having a good time?
Awesome.
Doug's having a good time. Let's keep going, my friends. Watch that corner, Doug. Maybe I cheated, but I say it's all about picking your line. Where's Doug? hikes. Watch out for them trees, Captain Caveman. You guys have a great day. Now, some of you may not know, and again, we can call this a pro tip, not from a pro, or just a bit of piece of trail etiquette if you're new to mountain biking or hiking or something along those lines. Doug's riding with me. If I'm riding solo, I've got nobody to call out. Have a great day, guys. I got one behind me. If I'm riding in a group, 2, 4, 7, however many, I'm gonna let the first person know that I pass how many I have left behind me, so they know what to expect, okay? This way, no one's caught by surprise. So, morning, guys. I got one more behind me. Have a great day. Again, just being courteous. We want everybody to be safe. And it's one of those things that does keep not only riders safe, but hikers is safe as well. So let's keep moving forward. Morning, guys. Right. All right, my friends, we are coming to the end of Chuckwagon, and so coming to the end of our ride today. Now, a little shorter, but what do we always say? No such thing as a bad day on the trail, just a short day on the trail, my friends. And even though it was an abridged ride, I still had an amazing time with my good friend Doug, AKA Obi-Wan. And yeah, so now we're gonna go to the coffee pot a Sedona staple, and get ourselves some grub. So at this point, my friends, if you made it this far, like, subscribe, bell notification icon, helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. We have our links down below, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work. But we need it, our social media, to get the word out there for Get Out Arizona. We do group rides, we do group hikes. It's a ton of fun, my friends. There's gonna be another link down below. It's gonna be our Amazon link. It is an affiliate link. If you follow that link and make a purchase on Amazon, we will receive a small commission and you will receive your package in a timely fashion. And it helps out with park pass money, gas money, and coffee money. The other trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. So it's a win-win for everybody. So, my friends, at this point, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask that we look out at that beauty in Sedona everywhere you look. And there's Doug. He survived my BS ride. But everywhere you look, it's absolutely beautiful, my friends. And this is why we do it. It's the community. It's being out here. It's being grounded. And there's no better place that I'd rather be than out here on the trail or sharing these adventures with you. So on that note, my friends, be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards on the trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.